welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new. My name is Hayley, and today's video I'm super excited to film just because this is my makeup room tour. I love this room so much. I love the way that I decorated it, and I really wanted to share with you guys how it looks. There are some things that I do want to buy, like box lights and a big mirror, and add like a couple of paintings or artwork, but I thought that I shouldn't need to wait to get all of these things and make my room look so amazing in order for me to film this video, if you know what I mean. I thought I should just be humble about everything I got and nothing should stop me from filming this video. So I'm basically going to take you guys throughout this whole room, show you each and every little centimeter of this room. Just kidding, but this is where the magic happens, where I beat my face, where I take most of my mirror selfies as well. So I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe if you do enjoy watching my content. Don't forget to leave a like, and I will just show you through this tour. So I'm going to show you guys left to right of the room. So this is what we'll see first. This is my shelf unit. It is a 6 cube. Is it 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, okay, my bad. This is an 8 box unit. 8 cube unit. I don't know what it is called, but that's it. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, so I got it from Kmart. I really wanted the one from IKEA, but I think because this is a little bit smaller than it, it looks pretty cute. So on top here are some of my shopping bags. So I just wanted to put like some designer, so I put my Givenchy bag, a Louis bag, and Swarovski one. And under this Swarovski bag, you think, oh my gosh, that's so cute, it looks bougie, where did you buy that from? This was basically $2. Okay, let me tell you guys a backstory about it. Since I am a little DIY girl and I have a lot of ideas in this head of mine, I thought it would be a good idea to cut off this. This is a Santa Claus beard of one of my Christmas hats from last year, because I didn't even want this on the hat, and I thought instead of wasting this, putting this in the bin, I could use this as decoration. So I just folded the whole part where your mouth is meant to be if you use this on the Christmas hat, and made it into like a little semicircle, and I thought that's really cute. It's a good way to add decoration to your room. So to the left here, this cube is filled with all of my jewelry, well, most of it. On top of here are these Chanel inspired earrings that I got off Etsy. I'll also link all the stuff down below as well, if I find links to them. All of these barrettes or berets, these cute clips that are in style on top. In my first drawer, I just have some necklaces. Oh my gosh, this can't open. Some of my gold earrings. Oh, by the way, guys, I keep thinking this is like a swatch from Lipstick. Focus. Focus. These are not swatches. I burnt myself when I was baking the other day. Silly me, I didn't put on a glove. And then in the third drawer are just some of my silver jewelry. As you can tell, I'm such a gold gal, but I do feel like wearing silver sometimes. And then I thought it would be a cute touch to put these gold hoops in here. I love these ones with little crosses at the bottom of them hanging. Oh my goodness, I don't know why my camera's having a hard time with focusing, but anyways, back here is this cute little musical jewelry box my dad gave me for Christmas last year. It says, "My daughter, you're the one I laugh with, dream with, and love with all my heart." Here are my real jewelry. So I have earrings. As you can see, that chain isn't even real, but that's my St. Christopher pendant. And under the box has a cute little note that came with this as well. And then here I have my Pandora earring box. Oh, let's see if I can even open it with one hand. There we go. That one fell off. And then the Swarovski receipt, which I just put there because the logo looks cute or whatever. Then over here is my Chanel boy bag. Thank you, Isa, for getting that for me. Under here are pretty much most of my sunnies. I have a lot more at my parents' house, but these are my favorites and my go-to ones. Next to it is my Louis Palm Springs backpack. So cute. Under it is this cute bunch of roses. It's like a cream of white color, and I put it in this acrylic box, which is from Kmart. I think it goes for about $2 or maybe $6. I think it was $6. Then I put some white pebbles, and the flowers just look so cute in that, don't they? And here are my favorite slides ever, my Givenchy slides. look how wrecked they've become, and oh my goodness, I'm so sad about that, and I've already scratched it. But I thought these could come off, but they can't, even though the lady at the shop told us a way to clean it, but it doesn't even work. Then under here are some of my smaller purses. So I just put it from black to color. And then right next to it is my MAC shopping bag. I think it just looks so cute, and I love how it is so neutral here, not like colorful. The only pop of color is basically the blue and the orange, but I love that. Okay, and now here is my makeup table. This is my Tobias chair from IKEA. I love that it's a clear look. It really opens up the space as well. And then I just added this fluffy white pillow from Target, I believe it is, and it just sits there perfectly. So I like to call this my perfume platter. I believe I got this mirrored plate thing from Bed Bath & Table. And if you want to know what I smell like this Ralph Lauren. Or sometimes if I feel like it, I like to wear this DKNY Apple perfume. So these are just some of my fave perfumes. Over here is my Victoria's Secret Love fragrance package. And then here are my everyday brushes. It's not all of them, but this is what I pretty much use whenever I put on my makeup. And as you can see, this is the exact same acrylic holder as where my roses were in. Here is like a Nude by Nature mini makeup kit thing. I just think it looks really nice in there. Here is my makeup mirror where I like to put on my makeup. And it has double sides too, so this is the zoom in side when you want to look zoomed in. And it has a light, but it's broken. Sometimes it flicks too, but yeah. Over here are my beauty blenders and makeup sponge. And in this cute little case here, I have my favorite NYX soft matte lip creams. I have some of my MAC lipsticks and these cute mini Anastasia Beverly Hills lipsticks. Look how small they are. Okay, maybe this doesn't do justice because my hand is small as well, but yeah, they're really cute. They actually came in this small case, and I thought it looks really cute, this there, because it ties in with the color of my Reezy highlighter. And here are my hair clips when I do my makeup. Some more hair clips here, a random lip balm and some tweezers. That's the top half of my table. I'll actually tell you guys that this is not even the OG Linmin tabletop that all makeup like beauty bloggers use at all. At my IKEA, they only sell this one, which I don't know if you can see properly, but it's just the normal wood. So I had to get this Torsby one. So it's called Torsby Tabletop High Gloss White. And the thing is, it's way too long, but we had to get it cut to size. So that's what we had to do. I didn't want to get the other Linmin tabletop because it would get dirty easily. And as you can see, this is so glossy that if you get a mark on it, you can just wipe it off instantly. So what's holding my tabletop together are my two Alex straws. This is the set of 6. And I won't go really in depth into all of these drawers, otherwise we'll be here all day long. But in this top drawer are all of my face products. In here I have some of my powders and setting sprays. Here I have my contour kits and highlighters and blushes. Over here are like my, what would I call this? Skincare, some fragrance creams, wipes and tissue. And then on the bottom one is... Let me just rephrase that. In here are all of my nail supplies, some of my makeup brushes as well. Oh, here's one of my bins. And on this side here, I have my eyelashes, eyebrow stuff, all of that. In here I have my mascaras, eyeliners, some of my glitters. Here are my lip products and lip liners. Here are my eyeshadow palettes. And lastly, here are my hair stuff. So yeah, this is where I sit down, do my makeup and relax. And special shout out to Juan for helping me set this up for me. You a real one. Over to this side is my clothing rack. I think this is from IKEA or Kmart, but this is what it looks like. You can try to search for this at either places. And here are my big jackets and coats hanging. These are just my faves, and I did put it in an order like whites to creams, browns, blacks and grey. They're all hanging on a wooden hanger. I think it makes it look really chic. Instead of putting shoes on here, I just thought I would put this hard clear case, and guess where it's from? It is a Ferrero Rocher box. You see what I mean? How I'm like really DIY and everything? I just like to add, if I see something that's cute, I'm just gonna add it to my room. So yeah, this is where I like to put my books. These are like inspirational manifesting books. So there's the Barefoot Investor, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, You Are a Badass, and The Secret. Oh my goodness, The Secret. The Secret. So over to this corner is where I do want to put a big mirror, but in the meantime, here is the off-cutting of my tabletop. By the way, I did paint this white because I didn't want it to be like that brown, ugly wooden color, so I needed to paint that ASAP Rocky. And then, since this tabletop is glossy, I used some whiteboard marker to write down my ideas for YouTube. So it says hayleybernatova to film. And yeah, just mark off whatever I filmed already, and on the bottom are some more ideas. So now this is what makes my room look pretty much big and opens it up a lot. So this is my 2-door sliding mirror, as you can see. So on this side, this is what it looks like. Okay, by the way, over here, it's a mess, okay? These are not even all of my shoes. These are just some of the shoes, and I don't even have time or effort to really organize them. Like, as you can see, it started to be organized, but then I just chucked it on top of each other. So let's not pay attention to that. Hanging here are some of my big bags. So just hang them up there. Here is Eagle. Oh my goodness, it's Eagle, guys. If you don't follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, then you wouldn't know the story about Eagle and me. So yes, this is Eagle, my sloth twin. We have the same smile when I make my smile look like that. Up here, I just some random miscellaneous stuff. So I have like a shoe box. I have random what are these called? The duster bags for your handbags and stuff like that. I got phone cases, some watches in here. Oh my goodness, watches in here. Sunglass cases, stuff I don't even remember what's up here. Here I have hanging my jackets. So in my main room where my closet area is, let's be honest, my jackets and jumpers, actually my jumpers do fit in there, but my jackets do not fit in there at all. So I thought I could use this space to put all of my jackets. So I just color coordinated them by darkest, like black, white, cream, green, blue, denim, and other colors. And then under here is my foot spa. I have my tripod case and my light case. So that concludes my makeup room tour. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 2 seconds out of your day. It only takes 2 seconds of your day to do so. Check out the description box below. I'll be listing what I can find, like the furniture pieces and stuff like that as well. And all of my social media links are down below. Have a good day, guys. Bye.